This week's question of the week is as follows. A sheriff's deputy just knocked on my front door and served me with a lawsuit from a company I owe money to. I can't pay them. What do I need to do right now? Well, first of all, if you're served with a lawsuit, you need to bear in mind that you've only got a limited time to answer that lawsuit. If you don't answer the lawsuit within the time allotted, the creditor is going to get a judgment against you. A judgment is a court order that says, A, that you're indebted to a creditor in a certain amount, and B, that you've got to pay that creditor the amount, within the order. In Tennessee, if you're sued in General Sessions Court, that's our small claims court, and a creditor gets a judgment against you, you've got 10 days to appeal the judgment. If you don't appeal the judgment, then the judgment is final against you. If you're sued in circuit or chancery court, and a creditor gets a judgment against you, that judgment becomes final after 30 days if the judgment is not appealed. Now, if a creditor gets a judgment against you and it becomes final, they can garnish your wages, meaning voluntarily take wages away from you, whether you like it or not. They can execute on your personal property, meaning if you had a boat or a truck or a car, they could that didn't have a lien against it, they could take that car away from you, have it sold, and the proceeds applied to the judgment. They could do the same thing with your home. They can put a general judgment lien down against your home, which would force you to have to pay off their judgment if and when you refinanced your house or sold your house. Once you've been served with papers by a sheriff where a creditor is suing you to collect money, you should immediately contact a consumer debtor attorney, someone who represents consumers with debt problems. You need to find out what can be done to avoid having to pay the judgment or manage the payment of the judgment or completely wipe it out. An experienced consumer debtor's attorney can give you strategies to manage your debt problems. Every day I help consumers come up with plans or strategies to manage their debts and or get rid of their debts. I offer a free consultation, so you have nothing to lose by coming in and contacting me. So if you've been sued by a creditor, give me a call today and let's get to work on strategies to help you with your financial situation.
Get your life back. Call the law offices of T. Verner Smith for a free consultation. 423-1888. 423-1888.